தன்னால சொக்குற நான் தன்னால சிக்குற ஒன்ன நடாபுற ஒன்னால சாபுறேன்.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Limitless BWL. I know I haven't been filming for a long time, but that's just because there's so much that's been going on. If you guys kind of want to stay up to date in terms of like what's kind of going on in my life and stuff like that, you guys should follow me on Instagram because that's where I kind of update people mostly. So saying that, I am back and I'm back for good. We're going to be filming, making those videos on time 3 times a week, so make sure to turn on your post notifications so you guys can see whatever I upload. And today I have an Indian get ready with me for you guys on this look right here. So this is the perfect look for kind of like a night event, and as I say for everything, you can wear whatever look you want to whatever event, but this look in terms of the outfit, makeup and stuff would just like be perfect for like a formal or a reception or something like that. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see more of these videos, because that's the only way I'll know and I will continue to do them for you. So yeah, now that we finished this long intro, let's get straight into the video. I hope you guys like it. Guys, so first things first, I'm going to start off with my brows. So today I'm going to be using a few different products, so let's just get straight into it. So today for the brows, we're going to be using the Benefit Brow. I said this on my Insta stories, I've been really loving this, so that's just what we're going to go ahead and use today. So we're just going to fill in the brows just as we always would. I will link my brow tutorial down below for you guys so you guys can check out how to really get your brows to look super fleeky, and mine are really grown out, so we're going to do the best we possibly can. Okay guys, so we did our brows. I think I cleaned it up pretty well. So saying that, we're gonna go ahead and do our complexion, but for this I want to try out a new foundation, and that is the COVERGIRL True Blend Matte Made Foundation, and I already posted a video on this as my first impression, so I'm just gonna go ahead and film that part. But if you guys want to see me trying out this foundation, feel free to go click my last video and check it out. That's gonna be like my full first impression and wear test with this foundation. So saying that, I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly do this and I will be right back. So as you can see, this concealer is like really nice and warm, but it's like a nice warm for my complexion. It doesn't look too like gray, which is perfect, and it really just brightens up the whole look without having to look gray. Now we're just going to start baking the face with our Bandai Luxury Banana Powder. It's really important to set your eyes as soon as you will let down your concealer to prevent as much creasing as we possibly can. Now I already crease under, so this is like a crucial step. I have to do it. It doesn't prevent it fully, but it definitely makes a big difference. And again, this as well, we're going to be very generous with the powder because I am going to be doing a black smoky eye, and usually I would do that before the foundation, but for the purpose of like the way I'm filming today, I decided to do the foundation first. So we're just going to put an excess amount so that if we have any fallout, it will fall onto the powder and then we could just dust it right off. Now we're going to contour. I definitely want to go, did my camera get darker? I hope it doesn't look darker. I definitely want to go a little bit glam with this look, so we're going to go ahead and do cream contour with the Sephora Collection Highlight Lowlight Face Contour Duo. I've tried this out, like I have this in my kit and I really like it, so I have one for myself as well, and the color is in the shade Deep, of course. So we're just going to go ahead and apply it. This is like super easy to blend out, which is the reason I love this product. I never put too much on my forehead because you guys know I have a lot of texture there. So just like that, I'm gonna put a little bit more on the cheek. I kind of know how to manipulate it, but like when it comes to cream contour or anything really dark on your face, always go with a little bit and then build it up. Use our beauty blender, just blend it all up. Make sure you're blending upwards as you do it so the contour is not dragging down your cheek. You can see, super easy to blend out. Just look how that chiseled my chin a little bit. As always, we're gonna go ahead and contour our face with our Carob from ABH. We're just gonna contour. You always want to set your cream contour in place. If you guys want like an in-depth contour video, which I think you guys do, let me know so I can do that for you. Let me know down below in this video. Okay, so I just went ahead and baked under the contour as well. I'm sorry if my last few clips were really dark, but my lighting is just like continuously going back and forth. It's been long since I filmed, so just like hopefully you guys can bear with me for this video. So saying that, we just did that. The bottom, I never like to let it sit because it could create like a cast just because the powder is much lighter than my skin. So we're just gonna quickly dust it off. People don't notice this when they bake under their contour, but it's something you should definitely like pay more attention to, because sometimes like you could really notice it when you look at other people. So saying that, I was gonna leave this powder, but we're actually gonna dust it off just because I don't want it to end up being too gray. Next we have my new favorite part of my makeup routine, which is bronzing. This is the Anastasia bronzer in the shade Mahogany. We're just gonna really fluff this onto the skin. I love the way that looks. Like you guys could just see the difference in terms of the skin. There's like a harsh difference between the contour and the highlight, well, like the concealer, whereas if you put the bronzer, it just really blends everything together, especially once we do the blush and highlight as well. So for blush, we're going to be using some ABH as well today, and this is the Gradient Blush Kit. We're going to be using this shade right here. So for blush, you guys probably thought I was going to use my ABH Glow Kit, but no, today we have something new, and this is from Makeup Addiction Cosmetics. This is their Holy Glow Volume 2, and just look at the shade right here. Like, where have you been all my life? We're going to try it out for the first time. Let's see how it is. We're going to use our Sigma F03. Ooh, it's super pigmented. Love it. Guys, so I just went ahead and color corrected and kind of like primed my eyes, and I used the Too Faced Shadow Insurance along with my MAC mineralized skin finish, just to get everything really even, so when we do our smoky eye, everything's gonna be like really blended and beautiful. So saying that, let's just go ahead straight into the eye. Today we're going to be using none other than the ABH Soft Glam. It's such an easy palette to do a smoky eye with. That's all the shades we need, like literally right over here. So saying that, now let's get straight into it. So we're going to start off with our handy dandy E40 from Sigma, using the shade Sienna, which is like my go-to transition shade. You guys know I use that all the time. So we're just going to go ahead. You can definitely use tape if you want for this look to make everything like really sharp, but I want kind of just like a blown out smoky eye, so I'm not going to be using tape. Apply it into the crease and just like really extend it out. I like my smoky eyes to be really extended out. It just makes it look really sultry. This part of my eyebrows like really make me mad, but like it's grown out and I can't help it. It's like it will stay. It's just like extra hairs, and I don't want to pluck it because I ain't no brow technician. So now we're gonna go ahead and use the Sigma gel liner as our base for a black smoky eye. Now this is the tip to make sure your black smoky eye looks really black. Now if you're very fair, sometimes you don't need this. A black eyeshadow will be enough, but even for my clients who are like super fair, I always use this. It's just to make sure everything stays in place and it looks super duper dark. So yeah, we're gonna be using the Sigma gel liner. I love this, the Wicked gel liner. I love this because it's super black and super easy to blend and work with as well, and which is perfect when you're doing a smoky eye, because you really want to be able to make sure that it's movable. I know I'm talking a lot, but you guys always ask me tips on how to do a smoky eye, so I want to make sure you guys kind of like learn through this. I'm gonna start from the base and move the liner upwards, and you don't try your best not to go all the way to the crease. Just kind of take it halfway to the crease and then just blend out the rest. So as you can see, I literally dabbed into this product once and there's more than enough product. That's why I love this gel liner. So you just want to kind of do that, and the rest just like slightly blend it up. This is the key to making everything look blended. So as you guys can see, I'm just blending whatever is left up, and this is why you always want to do one eye at a time, because it will dry and then you will be stuck. I'm going to extend this out just a little bit, just because again we want this look to be extended, but I'm literally just taking whatever's left over on the brush to do this, because this can get messy really quick if you mess up. Now we're gonna go in with this brown right here. I'm just using more of a dense blending brush, and we're going right on top of that black and just really like kind of tugging at the black even though you don't really want to tug out your eyes. That's the best way I can explain it. I'm going to mix a little bit black into just to get it to start blending once I do that part. And already you guys can kind of see it coming together. And for a black smoky eye, it's all about blending. You just have to keep going back and forth till you're kind of happy with it. And that's what we're going to do with the crease area. I'm kind of happy with how the black is kind of blended out here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead with the black eyeshadow also in the palette and go ahead and set all that black that we just did. And this, you want to really just keep it on the lid. Also help it look a little bit more blended. As you can see, it's like really dark and then just blends up. And now we're gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and I will be right back. So now that we did that, we're gonna go ahead and smoke out the bottom, and we're gonna be and also tight lining the top because it will really show if you do not, because it is your skin tone against black. So we're using the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade whatever black. Yep, cute name. So we're just gonna really go ahead and line this, and it's okay if it's a little bit thick because we want it to be really smoky. Now we're gonna go in with that black and really smoke out the bottom. We're gonna set everything we just put on and then drag it down a little bit as well. Go in with the same brush actually, and we're gonna go ahead and take sienna and just blend all that out, which will kind of minimize how black it actually looks as well. Just like that. Okay guys, so I went ahead and put it on my lashes. This eyeliner that I used is like bothering my eyes so much and it keeps tearing up, and that like never happens to me, so I don't think that's like meant for your waterline, although it says eyes, but I guess the waterline's a little bit different, so I would not recommend putting it in your waterline. I just can't like take it off right now because obviously I'm almost done, so we're just gonna have to manage till we finish. Saying that, the next step is gonna be putting that same highlight that we used on our face, but like right in the inner corner and our brow bone. I love how that kind of like pop of gold looks with a black smoky eye. So we're just gonna like load it up right there, and it looks so pretty. I feel like it really brings the whole thing together. We're gonna go ahead and put Kylie Cosmetics Dosing Brown Sugar. This is like my go-to nude that I wear all the time, but you could also use the Smashbox one. It's very similar. That was just a little bit more cool tone, but this is what I usually use when I wear this look. And I'm just gonna line my lips with a brown lip liner and then apply this right on. Okay guys, I thought I was recording me doing my lips, but it totally did not record. But I do have a video on how to do like a nude lip, so you guys can check that out. I'll link that down below as well. So here's the completed makeup look. I feel like we can put on a tad of more highlight, to be honest. So here is the finished makeup look. I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my sari, and then I'll give you guys details about the jewelry and all that good stuff. Okay guys, so here is the whole look. So I just have this blouse. It just has like really pretty detailing on the sleeves, and this is just a plain striped sari with this detailing right here. I'll show you guys the whole sari, but like I said in my previous videos, I don't have the space to do it, and including that, I am not wearing the whole sari probably. I'm just wearing this top part so you guys can kind of see how it looks. But yeah, these earrings are from Aldo, and my nose rings from Claire's. This is the only jewelry I wear with this, since this is long sleeve and this blouse is like fully detailed as well. I just don't find a need to wear any more jewelry. So this is the end look, as you guys can see right here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to continue seeing these Indian / Tamil get ready with me, make sure to click that thumbs up button and let me know so I can continue to do them. That's the only way I know that you guys like these videos. Saying that, I will see you guys in my next video. If you guys have any video requests, make sure to leave them down below, and I'll see you soon. Bye!